Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here with Nick from ModularWalls. And we are standing at the grand statement entrance of our latest property. How did we achieve this look?
So we're using EstateWall in this application, so it does provide that very grand entrance.
It makes it feel like an estate.
Yeah.
It's well named.
It does, and you can actually tailor the wall and the finishings to suit your own style. So in this application, as you'll see here, we've used a herringbone style tile.
So Nick, it's called a modular wall.
Yes.
What exactly is modular about it?
Well, modular means that it's all components, so you can build something like this in a weekend on your own. It's quick, it's easy, it's modular, and you can create a great finish.
We've continued the modular wall all around the boundary to really show the size of the land. What product have we used here?
So in this application, we've used the SlimWall. It frames the garden very well.
Yeah, and it just ties in beautifully with the house, from what we saw at the front right around to the house we can see behind us. Guys, if you're after some gorgeous fencing like this, head to the ModularWalls website to find out more.